For those of you who live in the South, it's a busy road. You know about the coconut trees. And for those of you who are northerners, we don't know anything about coconut trees. But coconut trees provide all that a person needs. The wood can be used for fires. The leaves can be used for roofs. The trees themselves can be cut down and the logs used for houses. But the most wonderful thing of all is the coconut. Now, something I didn't know, coconut trees do not have a season. The tree makes its fruit all year. As long as the tree lives, it produces coconuts. Now, these are low coconuts and will be taken off the tree as needed. And way up here are high coconuts. You either bring machinery in to take them down, or somebody has to climb the tree and take them down. Or you rope off that area, because when that coconut comes down and it bounces on your head, either the coconut will split wide open or your head will split wide open. But I just thought it was interesting to know that a coconut tree, as long as it's alive, will produce coconuts.